Have you ever wondered what it looks like when an industrial giant is, well, reborn? I'm not just talking about a renovation, but a complete transformation, right from its foundations up. Today, we're diving into the story of SEMAF, an Egyptian factory with a really deep past that is now being rocketed into the future. Let's get into how this incredible transformation actually happened. This quote, it just gets right to the heart of the whole project. This isn't about erasing the past, not at all. It's about taking a rich industrial heritage and fusing it with cutting-edge technology to build something totally new. It's an amazing story where a long-held dream for a national industry becomes a powerful, real-world thing. So, to really understand just how big of a deal this transformation is, we first have to appreciate where SEMAF even comes from. For over 65 years, this factory has been way more than just a bunch of buildings. It's been a true cornerstone of Egypt's national development. Okay, so the journey kicks off way back in 1958, inaugurated by President Nasser himself, with a clear mission: build the country's railway cars. Then you fast forward to the 1980s, and SEMAF becomes the absolute backbone for one of Cairo's most vital projects, the very first metro line. A new chapter started in 2004 under the Arab Industrialization Organization, which really set the stage for the most ambitious phase yet, kicking off in 2026, all driven by a new national vision. Right, so that brings us to the big question. Why? Why take on such a massive, complicated overhaul right now? What's the real driving force behind this rebirth? Well, the answer lies in a much broader national strategy for the future. See, this is about so much more than just making better train cars. This is about a presidential directive to fundamentally modernize Egypt's entire industrial base. And the goals aren't incredibly ambitious. You've got meeting the skyrocketing demand for transport, creating a world-class product that's proudly stamped Made in Egypt, and, this is a big one, localizing this strategic industry. Doing that saves precious foreign currency, opens up totally new markets for export, and creates high-skilled jobs for a whole new generation of engineers and technicians. Okay, so we've covered the why. Now for the really exciting part, the how. How exactly do you take a 65-year-old factory and turn it into a state-of-the-art facility? You do it with a really clear, comprehensive plan. Let's dig into how they're actually building this future. The whole project was built on these 6 pillars, and it's a complete approach. You start with the physical stuff, upgrading the very bones of the factory. Then you equip it with modern production lines and a brand new digital machining center. But the real game changer, the full digital transformation, linking everything together. And notice, it's not all about the hardware. Just as critical is the investment in people, developing their skills, all with the goal of getting the highest global quality certification. And to give you a sense of the sheer scale we're talking about, get this number: 30 tons. That's the weight of a single piece of metal that the factory's new centerpiece, a massive 5-axis machine, can handle and shape with unbelievable precision. That is just a jaw-dropping leap in power and capability. Now, all of this new tech operates under one single powerful philosophy: Industry 4.0. So what on earth is that? Well, think of it this way. After steam, electricity, and computers gave us the first 3 industrial revolutions, this is the 4th. It's where you fuse the heavy machinery with smart digital technology. We're talking AI, interconnected data networks, a factory that can practically think for itself to make production better. And here's where those big ideas become real advantages. That 5-axis German machine, it's the first of its kind in Egypt, and it can achieve a precision of 0.008 of a millimeter. To put that in perspective, that's finer than a human hair. A new central data center now acts as the factory's brain, connecting 33 different production units for instant coordination. And it's a really smart mix of local and global talent, a new R&D center staffed by Egyptian minds, but supported by Korean international expertise. And all of it leads to the prestigious IRIS certification, a global stamp of quality in the railway industry. So, SEMAF is now a world-class manufacturing hub. That much is clear. But the impact of this transformation, it goes way beyond the railway tracks. This project is a symbol, and it's a catalyst for a much bigger national ambition. This comparison really shows you the fundamental shift in mindset. In the past, the focus was almost defensive. Just meet local needs, use traditional methods, and rely on imports when you have to. The future vision is proactive and so much bigger. Power massive national projects, actively target global exports, and bring a critical strategic industry home for good.
This quote just perfectly captures the mission statement for the new SEMAF, and really for the new face of Egyptian industry. It's all about being self-reliant without being isolated, achieving that world-class quality for your own needs and for international markets.
So here's the crucial point. The reborn SEMAF factory is so much more than just steel and circuits. It has become a powerful symbol. It's a symbol of national pride in what can be done, a showcase of incredible technological advancement, and a testament to the power of self-reliance. And that leaves us with one last fascinating question. By combining its deep-rooted heritage with fourth-generation industrial tech, SEMAF has created a powerful new model. The question now is whether this incredible transformation is not just the story of one factory, but maybe the blueprint for an entire nation's industrial future.